there.
Hey, I had a hernia last November. Well, I had the hernia, and then in November of 2016, I went in to have it repaired. When he got in there, he said I had a stomach full of hernias. So he put a full piece of mesh and 90-plus tacks inside of me. I have had nothing but pain. I lost my job. I lost my insurance, 4 to 6 weeks later. I mean, I'm single. I've just really it's been a hardship. And then just the constant pain of it on top of that. But I've had these places to come up on my stomach that resembled a boil, but nothing was in them. And so after about the 5th one, I decided, I better go to the ER. I went to the ER and they said I had cellulitis in the abdominal wall, which is the top of staph. And, what do you advise for me? I mean, I have called and I was told that because my mesh was put in after May of 2016, it did, but my pain is real. There's something wrong.
Yeah. Thank you for your call. We appreciate that.
So the deadline that you've been told about is likely associated with a particular product, which is the Ethicon Physio Mesh that is placed laparoscopically. But those aren't the only mesh products out there that my firm is handling, or other firms for that matter. So you may still have a case, but let me caution you about something. Infection is very common in surgical procedures. It is very common in abdominal procedures with or without the use of a mesh product. So the question becomes, is your infection, your cellulitis, associated with a defect in the product, or is it just an unfortunate result? And that's what you want to find out.
And Nate, we got a couple more callers and we want to get to them. But will you give our viewers just a little update about where the hernia mesh litigation is right now?
Sure. So it's in a few different places,
okay,
depending on the manufacturer.
What stage it's in, I guess. Yeah.
Sure. The Ethicon Physio Mesh, which was a product that Ethicon voluntarily recalled from the market. It has not been recalled by the FDA. It's somewhat of a distinction without a difference in my mind's eye. But it has been consolidated in the Northern District of Atlanta, or Georgia, which is in Atlanta, and it is really just starting. In fact, the first case management conference is Tuesday. There is also some litigation involving Bard up in the Northeast. There's some litigation involving a company called Atrium for their products, which are called C-Cure, C and then Q-U-R. And there's going to be litigation involving some other products as well.
Okay, very good.